welcome 10-minute cardio workout. Let's get started right away. March. We're gonna focus on some of those exercises we did the other day, coming across a great YouTube channel, Talking with Doctors, talking about marching, step ups, walking, a lot of the things we do here every day, and just to focus on those so we can get a great 10-minute cardio workout. And today, low impact, it's for everybody. You go at your pace, you wanna ramp it up, ramp it up. You wanna go nice and easy, you go nice and easy, find what works for you, and let's just get 10 minutes of mood boosting, energy lifting, strength building workout in today. Let's go. Skip march for me right now. Again, maybe you're here. You just start in the day, you just get out of bed. Maybe just this works. Brilliant. Any movement is good. Move more often, that's the theme. But it's a little cooler out than I anticipated. So I really want to get warmed up. And I'm gonna skip march my way into some joy. Let's go. Go strong for 10 minutes today, all right? Let's put our best effort in. Get the heart rate up. We're gonna increase our longevity one day at a time with some brilliant exercises. Get the arms wherever you're at. All right. Let's work the arms. Just 90 degrees with the arms up as much as you can. We're gonna build some mobility in our shoulders while we get this cardio workout in. And then when you're ready, let's step. Yeah. Full body. You can slow it down, you can pick it up. You know me, it doesn't matter how you move, just move, baby. Let's go. You should feel that in the shoulders. Oh yeah, really getting warm. Yeah, all right. Let's little side shuffle. This could just be a side step for you. I'm gonna get the upper body in too though. I'm gonna just to one side. Keeping the arms up, building strength. You can sink a little deeper. I got a bit of a modified squat, building strength in the legs. Okay. Side step jack. If that's what you're feeling, I'm feeling like a proper, not proper, just a regular standard jumping jack. This move always increases my mood and energy. Get out of bed, minute of these, 30 seconds of these. Oh yeah. Stay with me. Really, jumping might not be your thing. So this move is equally brilliant. You just do you. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare yourself to me, anybody else. Where you're at is perfect. Just go with it. All right, brilliant. Let's get a little core strength going here while we move. So just nice dynamic. Elbow to knee. Again, maybe you're here. Brilliant. Just engage the obliques. Great core stability, balance, strength. Oh yeah. Find a flow and go. Couple more. Whoop. Oh, maybe a few more. All right. You can walk, by all means. I'm gonna do a little more of a jog. What I really wanna do is pump my arms. So, really move those arms. Move your lower body, whatever speed is best for you right now. I'm gonna pick it up a bit. We're not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time. So have a good time, because the sun don't shine every day. Although it looks like it's gonna shine here today. Keep going, come on. We can do this. Simple movements. All right, shake it. We gotta do it. We gotta do some body weight squats. As low as you can go. The more research I do, the more digging. Body weight squats are the cat's meow. There's that term for building strength in our legs, developing the core as well. Keep your head up, get your arms involved, full body. Go as deep as you like. As you can see, I'm not going that deep. We don't have to. If we sink a little bit deeper each one, maybe an extra millimeter every squat. How would you ever measure that? I don't know. Give your arms a nice pump when you come up. Yeah. All those biceps too. Oh yeah. Lovely. Stay with it. 5 more. 1, 2. Brilliant. Shake it out. Just keep moving. Just a little dance. Okay, toe tap. So, step ups were one of those great top 10 exercises these doctors recommended. So I don't have a step here, but we can do toe taps if you have a chair nearby. So what I can do is I can do my toe taps, and so can you. I'm gonna get my arms, using the arms also. But if I don't have a step or a chair, I can imagine I do, just bringing the up a bit, like I'm going up the steps, building balance, strength, core strength. Gauge that core. Have a little coordination. It's amazing how much harder it is when there's not a step there. And you have to imagine. So just one more exercise after this. Stick with me, come on. Yeah. Okay, almost there. Yeah. Bounce, just shake out the arms, nice and loosey-goosey. Loosey-goosey before we finish off here. So, it's like a skier. So these skier jacks, and again, if the jumping's not working, just step back, but make sure you get the arms involved too. Full body. But I'm feeling a little bit more vigorous this morning. Definitely warmed up. And let's just finish with this exercise. Give it everything you got. Full attention. Be present. Keep going. I'm just got technical difficulties. There we go. 10 more seconds, come on. And 1, shake it out. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh, I'm warm, I feel energized. Mood is definitely boosted. I hope the same for you. Let's bring 30 seconds of presence to finish this off. Go through your day, laser-like attention to everything you do, every conversation you have. Give that individual all of your attention. Oh, build relationships. Let's just notice the sounds. Maybe you can hear seagulls, waves crashing. Every time your mind wanders, come back to the sounds. Brilliant. Oh, I think I could have stood there all day with that. Stay active, be productive, be positive. Have an amazingly joyful day. I will see you tomorrow.